So you are trying to help Haiti and you have an organization. And little do you know, other Haitians are trying to do the same thing. Help Haiti. How do you then perceive these organizations? Do you see them as enemies who must be eliminated at all cost? Do you view them as competitors, or do you see them as partners in a fight for a better Haiti? Also, what is going on with our second and third generation of Haitian Americans? What are they up to? Are they all dancing Karimi and T-Vice? Do they even care about Haiti? And why should they? Join us this Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. and let's talk Haiti on telelacaitv.com.